In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can change the people that can send you friend requests on Discord, how you can prevent people from sending you friend requests on Discord. Let me show you guys how to do this. It's simple. Now we need to hop on our profile by typing on the U here to our profile. So at the top right corner of your screen, behind the nitro, you see a setting button there. You tap on that there. So it takes you to here. So on here, we don't even scroll to anywhere. We move to our content and social. So at the content and social, we need to scroll down here. Good. So you can see friend request. So the first one is everyone. We've turned that on. So you need to turn it off if you don't want anybody to send you a request there. So friends of friends. So someone is a friend of your friend on Discord, something like that. And then your server members, communities you join on Discord. If you are in the same community with someone, they can send you a friend request. You can also turn that off. So when you turn all this off, it means nobody can send you a friend request on Discord. That's how it means. So if you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.